Hey guys and gals, glad to see you here. This is Cody and Jeff on Tech Tuesday. Uh, some of the last stuff we showed you how the 3 Extra was made from the ground up, made right here to me in Arkansas. It's American made, all that stuff right there, the good stuff. Basically, what we have here today is we're going to show you the basic differences so you can maybe understand the difference between our as cast version and a fully CNC ported version. Uh, the as cast version, basically, like we've talked about in the past, is if you can look right here, you can see the as cast version comes from the CNC ported version. Okay, what you do is we take the CNC ported version and we do our very best to copy that as close as we can. Now, if some of you guys know the founder business, it's extremely hard to copy them exactly because you have draft and all kinds of other things in there, but that's other down the road. So basically, this ASCAS version comes from the CNC ported version, okay? The differences in your money is the CNC ported version takes probably 4 or so hours ahead longer on the porting work, and as we say, time is money. But you can see right here, this is completely CNC ported. It goes all the way through all the intake ports, all the exhaust ports, the combustion chambers, okay? This cylinder head is basically just porch matched to the gasket, maybe an inch or so in. Doesn't take an extremely long amount of time to do the CNC porting work on this one, and it is basically this head is bowl blended. If you look right in here, it's bowl blended in and maybe an inch or so in. Versus, as you can see, there's a lot more work done. It's fully poured all the way through. It just takes a lot more time and a machine to make that better for you. Some people say, hey, can we take our as cast cylinder head and fully CNC ported? Unfortunately, you can't because this cylinder head is already very, very close. Now, we can run the CNC porting program and go through it, but it's going to leave what we call shadows because we normally leave 60 thousandths machine stock along the edge to clean up all the way through there. When we copy it, there's not going to be that extra material in there, okay? You're just going to be basically, the porting machine's going to be going around and run around in air, and it's going to leave what we call shadows. It'll port it and look like this some right here, and then it'll leave like gray spots where it doesn't touch the casting. So unfortunately, you can't take the as cast and make it look as nice. Like I said, you can run the program through it, but it's going to leave high spots and low spots because this is so close to this one. This is a very good bang for the buck right here, the ASCAS 3 Extra, and this is the very best. It's just a matter of what you're looking for your combination, what's in your budget. We make the ASCAS for people who don't want to spend the extra money on the CNC ported. For bracket racing and stuff like that, you may not want it, but it is an option. We give you options. We give you price levels that we think that you want, and we give you toughness with some of the best cylinder heads in the world right here.